Welcome to my channel Lab Experiment XYZ. Today we are going to do experiments on bleaching powder. Do you know bleaching powder formula? The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2 and the chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxochloride. We know we use bleaching powder to water to clean out the dust. This trick works in cool drinks. What will happen if we add bleaching powder to cool drinks? Let's see. First I am taking zero water 200 ml. You are seeing when you are using bleaching powder, be careful, it will harm your skin. Now I am going to take Maaza. It is also 200 ml. See, the color of Maaza is dark yellow. Now I am going to take Thumbs Up, Taste the Thunder, our favorite drink. It is also 200 ml. The color of Thumbs Up you are seeing, it is black color. Next I am going to take Sprite. It's clear now. Now I am going to take Sprite. It is also 200 ml. You are seeing here. After taking all cool drinks, I have taken 4 cool drinks. This is first one is Sprite, Thumbs Up, Maaza and Zero water. Now I am going to take bleaching powder and I am going to dissolve it in the water to make bleaching powder solution. The concentrated of this bleaching powder is 50%. I am mixing with using a spoon. After mixing, I am going to take 3 spoons in each cool drink. See, I am taking 3 spoons in zero water. You can see the change of color after adding bleaching powder. I am taking in Maaza now 3 spoons. See, there is no change in Maaza. Next in Thumbs Up, 3 spoon, 1, 2, 3. You can see somewhat change. Now I am adding in Sprite. Oh, the Sprite is reacting with bleaching powder. You can see here, the foams are producing. Now I am going to mixing the cool drinks. See, I have mixed Thumbs Up. Before the color of Thumbs Up is black, now it turns to brown. You can see after some time the particles of Thumbs Up will settle down. Maaza, before color of Maaza is dark yellow, now also dark yellow. There is no change, so I am adding some more bleaching powder. See, I have added. Now somewhat change. It will take some time to settle down the particles of Maaza and remaining cool drinks. Now you can observe little amount of change. The color was Maaza is before dark yellow. Now it changes to light yellow. Now I am taking Zira. Before the color of Zira is dark brown. You have seen when I am taking. But now color was changed to orange. See, before color and now color, the change. Thumbs Up before color is black, now color is brown, and color is Sprite is transparent and it now also transparent. Maaza color is dark yellow, now the color is light yellow. You can see here. Before color is dark brown, now color is light brown.